you get a minimum of 30 minutes of exercise 3 to 5 days per week? Hi, I'm Luigi Groton, Vice President of Worldwide Product Marketing at Herbalife. This week's question is very important to me. Let's discuss proper exercise because supplements and diet can only get you so far. Any time is the right time to get outdoors, get in shape, and renew your commitment to a healthy, active lifestyle. Now, how much you work out depends on your schedule, but I recommend 3 to 5 times a week. Generally, I split a workout between alternating days. The first day, I'll work the upper body. The next day, I'll work the lower body. We don't want to wear out the joints, the bones, ligaments, and muscles, so you don't want to focus on the same muscle groups every day. Now, the one exception is working the abdominal muscles, which you can do every day to help strengthen the core. Here are some helpful hints to keep in mind as you shape up. Number 1, take time to warm up. Spending about 5 to 10 minutes warming up prepares your body for exercise. Walk before jogging, jog before running, and don't forget to stretch. Warm muscles allow for a greater range of motion for your joints and make injuries less likely. Number 2, think variety. Have you ever started a fitness program and then you let it fizzle out? The reason could have been boredom. A program that includes several fitness activities, for example, walking or biking on Wednesdays and playing tennis or swimming on Fridays and Sundays, will help you maintain your interest and keep you motivated. Number 3, don't forget about the important role that proper nutrition plays in achieving an active lifestyle. Try to get at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day in order to get the most out of your fitness program. If you're exercising regularly, it's a good idea to give your body what it needs. Herbalife Personalized Protein Powder is a great supplement that helps build and maintain lean muscle mass. With 5 grams of soy and whey protein and all 9 essential amino acids, this plain, unsweetened formula can be added to your Formula One shake or stirred into plain water, soups, or sauces. Speak with your wellness coach for more information on how Herbalife products can support your exercise program. This concludes this week's topic of discussion. I'd like to remind you to exercise often and wisely.